MX off. All right. You know who it is, JL, the anti-guru. Today is Mo Money Monday, and the topic for today is what is a value ladder, and do you have one? So we're going to talk about value ladders and why you need to have one for your business. Now, this works really well for brick and mortar businesses. I'm going to give you a couple examples with brick and mortar businesses that have value ladders. My chiropractor has an excellent value ladder, so we're going to start right there. A value ladder is, and you just, not really a ladder, but more like steps. And what you want to do if you're a business owner, and especially if you're providing some type of service, the first thing you want to do is you want to have some bait. And what my chiropractor does, he offers twice a month a free dinner. And the way he does that, he gets former patients to invite somebody to a free dinner at a couple of restaurants that he's got a relationship with. And he sits down, you sit down and you have a free meal. And then around, 30 minutes or so after everybody's had their meal and everybody's kind of settling in, then he'll do his presentation. And what he does is he offers everyone there the opportunity to get, they'll get an examination, and they will get x-rays, and they'll get a free adjustment for $50, which is a really good value. So he's got the bait is that free dinner. And then his front end offer is an opportunity to get a free adjustment, and he'll come in and talk to you and tell you, hey, I can help you. No, I can't. And he gives that to you for $50. Then when you move up to the next step, that's when he'll say, okay, I can help you. You're going to need so many adjustments. This is what it's going to cost. And I know in my particular case, when he looked at me, it was going to cost me $2,500. And I was like, whoa, I don't think I can afford that. So he was like, no problem. We'll cut that in half because I want to see you get yourself back in good shape. And then as you're going through the adjustments, he also offers supplements. He has a personal trainer to come in and do different types of fitness presentations and workouts. And so you're basically moving up those steps, and he's offering you more and more value, and he can charge more and more money for everything that he offers you. Now, another really good example is a dentist. And what a dentist can do is he can offer a free cleaning. And then he might say, okay, I'm going to give you something that will help whiten your teeth. And if you had braces, he might say that your teeth are shifting out of line. Let me hook you up with a retainer. And then he'll even go into some type of cosmetic thing for your mouth. And like I said, and then as you're moving up those steps, each thing has a higher and higher value, which he can charge more and more money. And then the final thing is, he wants to get that 6-month checkup. So he's having you coming in every 6 months for that checkup, and he's going to charge you that. Now, for other small businesses, you have to kind of figure out what you can use for bait, something free, like what I'm giving away is I'm giving away network marketing secrets. Now, this is a book that I bought, and I put it in a PDF file. You can see it up in the description. It's getpaidwithjl.com/nm-secrets. You can get that book 100% free. You're going to get a lot of value out of it. And hopefully there'll be some people who will say, hey, I like this book. I like the information in it. And there's going to be things in there that you can end up purchasing and moving up that ladder so that eventually I'll be able to generate some revenue from it. So I highly recommend, if you're a network marketer and you're on here, you definitely want to pick this book up. And like I said, I'm giving it away 100% free. So I hope that that's making any kind of sense, of making some kind of sense. But the thing is, as you're going up those steps, each step has more value, which means you can charge more money. So what you want to do, and forgive me, guys, I'm kind of out of it today. I woke up, really last night, I started feeling bad. I had, this morning I was started feeling worse and worse, and I think I'm coming down with a cold. So kind of bear with me today because I'm a little bit left to center. But I didn't want to disappoint anybody who normally comes and checks out my lives, because I always want to provide value and give you something that you can use that's actionable. So now if you're like a network marketer, or you're an affiliate marketer, is another good one, because most of the time you have some type of product that you're trying to promote. So one of the ways that you can create a value ladder with this is, maybe you've got more than one product that you're promoting, and you want to get products that complement each step. And as you're going up that ladder, you can offer these things to your potential clients and customers. So like one of the things that I did for a while, I'm in the CBD oil business, so I was giving away a free bottle of CBD oil just to get it in people's hands. And but the way that I did it, of course, you had to opt in to get to register for the free bottle, which helped me build a list, and I could market to those people a little bit later. Excuse me, I gotta wipe my face because I am not feeling well. I'm sweating like a runaway slave, and I'm sitting in here in the air conditioning. So that's another example of where if you're an affiliate marketer, you can give one of your products away, and then inside of my particular value ladder, I was giving the free bottle away. I could market to them, tell them a little bit more about the product, and then I had I'm also involved with a vacation website where I can get discounted vacations. So what I did, hey, if you decided to buy some of the CBD oil, I would throw in a 3-day vacation or a 5-day vacation, depending on how much money you spend. So that would be even more value to motivate people to spend more and more money with me. And normally you want, now if you have some type of product that has some type of subscription, like some type of service, you want to move them to where they'll finally subscribe to that thing that you're promoting, where you can get that residual income each and every month. So if this is making sense, put a 1 in the comments. But like I said, a value ladder is something that most businesses, if not all businesses, need to have, because it gives you the ability to build a relationship with your potential clients and customers. You can give them some value, something free in the beginning, and each step that they take, you'll be offering something more and more valuable. And once they get that free thing and they find that valuable, they're more inclined to open up their checkbooks or pull out their credit cards and start spending money with you. So that's pretty much all that it is in a nutshell. But let me go back to that chiropractor, because another thing that another chiropractor I know did, he had 2 massage therapists that he had a relationship. So he was offering offering free massages, and then he could move them into getting adjustments, and then eventually move them into some type of wellness program that was some type of subscription-based thing where they pay something every month to have access to that program. And again, as they're moving up the ladder, you're always increasing the value and the price of what you're promoting or what you're trying to sell to them. So if you don't have a ladder, this is something that you want to sit down and think about, because if most people have their back end offer, they have the thing that they want to sell, the thing that they want to get in people's hands. But a lot of times where your business is slow is because you don't have a lead magnet or something you can give away free to draw people into your world. Now all of this information that I'm sharing with you comes out of another book that I recommend, DotCom Secrets. If you want to pick that up, that book is also free. All you have to do is pay shipping on that. I think it's about $8 or $9. That's the first link up there. Get paid with JL.com, free DCS book. And again, I've also shared some information out of Expert Secrets, another book that if you're an internet marketer, affiliate marketer, network marketer, these are all books that I recommend that you pick up, because it's going to help you grow your business. And again, that one is getpaidwithjl.com/Edward Secrets, Expert Secrets free. So I'm not going to stay on here too much longer. Like I said, I'm not feeling too well, but I did want to come on and share this information with you. Now, if you want to get some one-on-one with me and go over this a little bit more, but really, I really recommend that you pick this book up, because all of the information that I just shared with you is right in this book, because you can see right there, Value Ladder for a Dentist. And let me go here and show you another diagram so that you can understand completely how this thing works. Yeah, here we go. It's like the one I talked about where it says, put over there, so you can see how that's how it works. As you increase the value, you can charge a higher and a higher price. So again, guys, I appreciate you coming on live with me. If you're catching the replay, please put #replay in the comments. If you want to get a one-on-one consultation with me, what I do also offer, if you're a business owner, I'll give you a free consultation for 1 hour to talk about your business, how we can help you grow your business, how you can get more customers in the doors if you have a brick and mortar business. Oh, and one other thing, tomorrow at 12:30, I'm going to be going live with one of my colleagues, Christine Ruiz. She's going to be discussing, she's been talking about entrepreneurship, and one of the topics that she discussed earlier last week was depression and entrepreneurship, or how your emotional well-being. And I'm going to share my story of how 2 years ago I had a nervous breakdown, went into a big depression, but I was able to get myself out of that. So I'm going to be discussing how I was able to move myself from the lowest low back up to where I am now. So again, that her name is Christine Ruiz. That is Ruiz. I think I spelled that right, Christine Ruiz. And we'll be coming on live at 12:30 tomorrow afternoon. So I'd love for you to come and check that out, especially if you're a business owner, whether you're an online marketer, network marketer, or you have a brick and mortar business. We all go through a lot of struggles trying to grow our businesses and trying to achieve success. And what she's been doing is helping people and teaching people ways to stay focused, ways to grow, how to deal with all of the pressures of being an entrepreneur, because this is a different kind of life. A lot of people don't understand what we go through as entrepreneurs and business owners, because a lot of people, they're stuck, well, not stuck, but they're in the mindset of working a job, that 9 to 5, and having that kind of security. But when you step away from that, there's some extra pressures that a lot of people don't understand that we go through. All right, that's all that I got for you. I appreciate you coming on. I appreciate all of you. I look forward to seeing you on that live at Tuesday at 12:30 with Christine Ruiz. And again, I'll be live again on my page on Thursday at 7 p.m. All right, we love you. Take care.